CPI calculation, that is critical performance indicator calculation for accounts payable process. The first one is the timeliness and second one is the accuracy. To calculate timeliness, the formula is number of invoices posted on time divided by number of invoices posted during the period. So let me apply the formula here is equal to number of invoices posted on time 9800 divided by number of invoices posted during the period, that is 10,000. Press enter, so you get 98%. So let's convert this to the percentage. Go to home and then you have, instead of general, or you can directly select here percentage, and also let's increase the decimal. There is a result. Similarly, to calculate the accuracy is equal to number of invoices posted without defect, so we have 9,948 divided by number of invoices posted during the period multiplied by 100. Press enter, so you get 99.48%. Thank you.